This is the next session, right? And in last session, what we talked about, anybody can help me? What we talked about in last session?
JVM, GRE.
DK,
JDK.
GR, yeah.
Very good. A little bit about data type, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Today, I'm going to show you some use of the data type, right? Some program in the Eclipse editor, right? What is Eclipse? It is the editor which gives you the capability to develop the Java code. And Eclipse automatically compiles your code. Yes, you know? Yeah.
Yes.
So here I'm creating a new project. Can you see this? New project explorer, right click new and go to project. Am I right? And
Yes.
here you can choose Java project. It is okay? Or I'm moving fast? Hello?
That's fine.
Yeah.
And here you can select the project name. Project name you can give anything, right? I'm just writing core Java 2022. And you always use this default, JRE, right? Java, I told you, right? And click on the next button or you can click on the finish button. I hope I'm making myself clear. It's saying yes, no, you can choose always. See, don't create the module info. Am I right? I said don't create. Please remember it. Module info, do not create. If it is giving option, you just say don't. Now it's saying I want to open in this perspective. You can say no, whatever. Everything is fine. In this way, I'm able to make a project and my project name is Core Java 2020. Anybody have any issue so far or is clear? I
Yeah.
am able to create the project. In Eclipse, first of all, you will make a project, right? In project, in SRC folder, you can write n number of Java program. So right click on it, new. So to make a program after creating the project, what I said? In Eclipse, first of all, you have to make the project. After that, what you have to do?
To
After
create the
that, what you have to
source.
do? Right click on the source and new
Yes.
and create a class file.
Mm-hmm.
One class is one program. With the package name. Package name, you don't need it. Here you can give the
Mm-hmm.
name of the program.
Mm-hmm.
My program name could be anything. I'm just making main 100. It's okay. This is the
Yeah.
class name and this is the main method. What is the main method? Main method is always starting point of the program. So
Mhm.
when you type something in the editor, guys, just press Control S. Which button? Control
Control S.
Control is to
plus
always.
S to save it, right? Otherwise, you
Mhm.
can click on this floppy icon. So
Mhm.
here, I want to add two number. So what I'm doing here, integer, you know what I'm doing? I'm creating a variable, right? I'm saying,
Mhm.
hey number, you are a variable which your type is integer. So I can store integer data into it. Make sense?
Yes.
After it, I can create number one and number two, right? In number two, I am adding, I'm assigning one. So this is clear to everybody. Integer is what? Data type. And num1 is what?
Variable.
Here you are saying, hey, create a variable,
Mhm.
create a variable num1, right?
Yes.
Of type int. Are you with me? Create
Yes.
a variable num1 of type int and assign 99 inside it. Do you have anything which is not clear? You are creating a memory. Memory name is num1. Num1 is the variable name which because it can hold data.
99.
And what kind of data it can hold? Integer. Num2
Integer.
is a variable, right? Let me write it. Num2 is a variable which can hold int type of data, right? Why it is called variable? Because this value can be changed. Like here, number one, num2 has num1. If I want to change the value, I can assign some other value. Can you see this? What? Changing the value of num2. Earlier in num2, there was num1, a 1. Now it is 10. If you want to add these two number, what you have to do? Num1 plus you can use operator, plus operator and num2, right? Whatever result comes, you can store in another variable result. People, what I'm doing? I am adding num1 and num2. If you add num1 is 99 and num2 updated value is 10. 99 plus 10, it will come reply. And here you can print the value of result. This is the message. Result is. This is message, right? Whatever you will write in double quotes, it will print as it is. Plus, you want to append the value present in the result variable, right? So what it is going to print? Result is as it is,
Two.
and value is 109.
Oh yeah.
This program is clear to how many people, and how many people has confusion, ask questions. This will print as it is, right? Plus the result variable means whatever value you have in that, it will print it. Hello. If you want to make it more beautiful, you can add this and save it, and then
I
you
have a
run it
question.
again. Please run a Java
So
application.
for the data type int, it seems like it's easily override. It can be easily override. So does that
Of
create
course.
like complication in the
No,
if the
no, no,
code
no,
is too long?
no, no, no. Sometime it comes, but it is up to you, right? If you want whatever value you assign, later you don't want to change it, right? Then here you can write final. Are you following me?
Final int, yeah.
Once you write
Okay.
the final, nobody can change num2. If you're changing it, compiler is
Okay.
giving error. Hey, uh, final local variable num2 cannot be assigned, right?
Thank you.
So for everything we have syntax, okay? In this, who is from the non-IT? That would be my target.
Me.
Yesterday target was Eliza. I want to target someone else today. Who is from non-IT background apart from Eliza?
This is Jamshid, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
Jamshed.
me
I'm going
too.
to me means okay. Jamshed,
Yes, sir.
you just be permanently on mute. I'm going to teach you today. Okay.
Sure.
So tell me, do you understand all the this program, or any point is not clear to you? Any line in the instructions?
So, to be honest, sir, this is unclear today's lesson for me.
No, no. In this, what is not clear to you?
So I don't know what's NAM.
Namun.
Yes.
Yeah, let me explain to you. Actually, this is the program. Program is set of. Have you watched my study recording? If you're not watching it, you cannot cope up with it. No.
No, program is set of instruction.
Yeah. You have to follow my every session. If you are not able to do it, no, you cannot continue the session. There is no use of it, right?
Yes.
So see what it is when you are writing this much, okay? Num1 equals to 99. Janjam said.
Yes.
So what you are doing, integer space num1 means you are creating a block in the memory.
Yeah.
And in this block, you are giving a name. Hey memory, your name is num1. Clear?
Yes.
And you can hold what value? 99 inside it. Are you following me?
Yes.
Similarly, this instruction will create another block in the memory,
Mm-hmm.
and that block name is
Num
variable name num2. And in this num2, what value you are going to store? Initially, you assign 1, right?
one.
Later,
Yes.
you have overridden this value by 10. The final
Yeah.
value is 10. Make sense?
Yes.
Then here you are taking num1. Num1 value is 99,
Yeah.
and num2 value is 10.
10. But then
Right?
one. What is one?
One is the name of the
Okay.
variable. Num1,
Okay.
num2. Don't confuse with it is not a value, it is a variable, right?
Okay.
Fine. So when you are adding it, right? Num1 is 99 and num2 is 10. When you add it, what it will become?
It's 109.
So 110 is coming in the result, right? So when you write integer result, it will again create a memory, right? And it will hold the result. What man? 109.
109.
9. And same thing you are printing here, right? So when you say println, it will print this message as it is, right? Plus whatever value of the result, it will append it. Make sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why output is this. Done.
Okay.
Anybody have still question query? Apart from Jamshed, who is from non-IT background?
This is Govinda.
Yeah,
I'm from
I'm
non-IT too, and I
Ramesh.
understood that.
Non-IT. Okay, Govinda, just be on unmute. I'm telling you.
Mhm.
See, guys, everybody has to speak in the session. I'm repeating it again and again. So randomly, I will check your computer. Randomly, I'll ask questions,
Mhm.
and if you are not able to answer it, I'll take the action because your time is important. My time is important or not, I don't care. But I don't want after 1 month you say, "May I'm not fit for the training." No, I have to make this decision in 1 week. And if you are not watching my recording on daily basis, this training is not for you. Remember it. Right? So if this program is clear, can I make another program for you? Yeah.
Yes.
So another program means right click on default package, new, and you can click on the class. You can give another name to it, right? Main 200,
Yes.
right? And don't forget to add public static void main method, starting point of the program. I just deleted this line. Okay. So here I'm taking a number. Govinda, is clear to you? 200. Then
Yes.
what we are doing? I'm saying, hey number, I want to multiply with 2, right? Whatever result is coming, I am assigning back to num. Govinda.
Yep.
Earlier it is 200, right? Now
Yes.
it will start from right side. Number into 2, 400, and 400 you are assigning back to number, right? So
Okay.
here, if I print the number value, what will the output? Number is, right? Plus Govinda, num. So here output is,
Two.
this is comment,
200.
right? Num is 200.
Yes.
Same number, if you print after it, output will be
Yes.
400.
Will be 400.
400.
Jamse, this is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Here I'm printing, assigning num is a variable, assigning 200. I'm saying num is message plus. I want to append this num 200. So num, this much. Whatever you write in double quotes, it will print as it is, right? Plus number 200. Similarly, you are assigning new value to it, right? Multiplying right side and assigning left side new value to it, right? So it is 400. Answer is how to run it. Right click on it.
Is
Run as
Java
Java
program,
application.
Java
Govinda.
application.
The output is num is 200 and 400. Is clear to everybody?
yes.
Yes.
So if we print another system dot out at the end, is it gonna be like 800 or not really?
No, 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 no. Why it will 800, man?
Because the new
Because
number is 400
no, 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 no. You are not multiplying again. Okay. Like here, if you are printing it again, right? It will print the same value. Why? You are not
Because the
changing
last
it,
code
man.
is num times 2.
If you change here, right? Suppose I am making -1. Now what it will print over here?
minus one.
This one.
-1. So you have to check the execution from top to bottom. If you change in
Mhm.
between, then only value will change. Otherwise, it will be same. Got it?
Got it.
So you understand this kind of concept?
Yes.
And please go and make all this program without any fail. Fine. So in core Java, basically program provides you the programming construct through which you can write the logic, right? So guys, I have to write some logic. My requirement is if number is, odd and even number, Govinda,
Yep.
I'm just making a program, odd and even. Can you see my style? Class name should start with capital letter, convention, right? It is multi-word. That's why for every word, I just make first letter capital, convention. Okay. And just Govinda, this is clear to you?
Yes. Yep.
So
Yeah, that's clear.
see, this is the number. This number I will tell you tomorrow how you can take at runtime. This is the number. I need to tell you in the program, this number is even or odd, right? So any number is, as per the mathematics, any number is even if you can divide it completely by 2. This,
2. Yep.
if you divide it by 2 and remainder
Mhm.
comes, it is odd.
0.
So this program is odd, right? This number is odd. Am I right? So
Yes.
Yes.
how you can check in the program? In order to check some condition, right? In Java, we have keyword if.
If.
Which
Yes.
keyword?
Mhm.
If.
Mhm.
What is
Yes.
syntax? So I'm going to teach you if, right? And let me teach you in the paint diagram. So Govinda, what I'm going to teach you now?
The if statement.
If statement.
Yeah.
So you have to see how to use if statement. Let's go ahead. Okay. What, man? If statement. Non-IT people, you are my friend. Okay. If you don't understand, tell me again, I don't understand. So I'm going to show you if statement. If, only if statement, right? So how you can use if statement? Everything has a syntax. Okay. So let me show you very slowly, and we have to see the use of if statement. Govinda, do you understand the agenda?
Mhm.
How we can apply the if statement to solve a problem, right?
Yes.
So here I can use if. Syntax is if and parenthesis. This is called parenthesis. Can you see this? If
Yeah.
parenthesis open and close. And here you can use num modulus operator,
Mm-hmm.
right? You are taking remainder, right? So if I'm just doing remainder, right? With 2, and if it value becomes 0, then your number is
Even.
even. And here you have to use curly bracket open and close. So what is syntax of the if statement? If parenthesis open and close, curly bracket open and close, right? In that you will write the statement system dot out dot println. Aha, what? Number is even. Got it or got confused? Syntax. Govinda, come with me. Govinda, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So you tell me now if I'm taking 100, right? So
Mhm.
num 100, and if you take the remainder by 2, remainder, right? So in that case, if you divide 2 by, if you
100 by
divide
2.
number by 2, remainder is
0.
0. So
Yeah.
this condition will become true, right?
Yes.
Condition become true, then only this will execute. So if you run your program, what is the output in this situation?
Syntax error.
Number is even.
Syntax error. I'm using num modulus operator 2, right? I'm dividing two number by 2, and whatever remainder is coming, I'm comparing with, this is the remainder modulus operator, right? Remainder. Make sense? So in this case, it will print aha number is even, right? That's correct.
Yes.
You have any confusion in the syntax? If parenthesis, and here you can write the condition. Parenthesis close and curly bracket open and close. Fine. Let me type the same program in the editor. Can you see this? If I run it, what is the output of it, Govinda?
Okay. Where?
See, if you run this program, what will be the output of it?
It will print that statement inside the quotation.
Exactly. Aha number is even. Clear?
Even.
So tell me, if you just add 3, right?
Mhm.
Then this condition become false, and if statement will not execute, and it will
Means
show you
nothing.
nothing. Run it. See, nothing. Why? Because when it is coming here, you are trying to take remainder. Remainder comes 1, right? And 1 is not equals to 0. Am I right? Condition becomes false.
False.
So if a statement will always execute, or only when this condition becomes true? Govinda,
If only executes when the condition is true.
yeah, let me write it. If statement will only
Execute.
executes when
The condition is true.
this condition
It's true.
comes true. You got this much?
Yes.
Yep.
Here my requirement is if I'm running, right, if number is not even, it's not saying anything. I want to give an option, right? You can use else, curly bracket open and close. Why else, man? You are saying
If the
if this
condition is not
if
true.
statement becomes false,
Was
then it will go to the other choice, right?
system out
Number
first.
is even odd.
Number, you can say sorry, number is not even.
Not even.
Okay.
Okay.
So in this situation, it will go in if condition or else condition. Else means you are giving option, right? If
Yeah.
you would say, if you do not order pizza, I will not eat it.
Mhm.
Right? Second condition. If you do not order pizza, I will drink water. Fine. That is else. You are giving option, right?
Yes.
Sometimes you say in your, in your home, right? When you're at your home, somebody cooking something, you say, if you don't cook it, right? I will not eat, right? If condition. You are not giving any option to her. Or what you say? If you don't cook the food, I can take fruit and sleep. Else condition, right? So this
Yes.
program is clear to everybody, or you got little bit confused?
It's
I
clear
have a
to me.
question.
Yeah.
I have a question. So, see, where you wrote the int number equal 3. So, what if it was 2, for example?
You give 2.
Yes.
You
Is it gonna be true
In
or
this,
false?
in for true, because number, if you divide 2
So,
by
uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
it will give you 0. This
Uh-huh.
condition becomes true.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So now it would
So you
say
want.
aha number is even.
Mhm.
Can you see this?
I have a question.
Okay, okay.
Can I ask a question?
Please.
Yeah,
Question.
like just below int number equal to 2, if we assign another integer number equal to 3, then what
You can do
happens
that.
together?
Again, it will go to the else condition.
So it will
Because
execute both or only one?
no man. Final value final value will be taken into the consideration. Here value was 2, right? But before coming to it, you make it 3.
Okay.
Then what happened? Now it would go here. That time it will take the latest value, not both the value. Okay. So latest value is
3.
one variable can hold only one value at a time. Remember it. One variable can, what's your name? One
One value.
value at a time.
So
Mug it.
can we do int num1 equal to 2, int num2 equal to 3?
Yeah. That is the another variable. You can keep n number of variable. It is up to you, right?
It will print both the statement if we do that.
Okay. Actually, I would like to write your code. Okay, let me do that. What's your name?
You asking me? I'm Govinda.
Mr. Govinda, come with me. And you are doing right job. Tell me what you want to
Okay.
do. You
Okay,
want to
so
make the
I want to
number one
initialize num1 equal to
100.
like any number,
Tell me
one odd number, and int num2 equal to
num2 equals to.
an even number like 2. And if
Okay.
we write the same if else statement below it,
Tell
and
me.
okay,
What I should write here.
yeah,
What I should write here.
if int modulus 2, or how do we write that? I forgot that.
Man, you can use variable name.
Oh, num1. Okay.
Num1 modulus operator 2 equals to 0, right?
Oh, okay.
So I hope you got the answer of your question, right?
Yes.
Use only one variable at a time, not both.
Okay. Okay.
Result is even, right? Good question. Else means you want to give the option.
Take an
I'll
option.
kill you, okay? I'll kill you.
Okay. I got it.
Go ahead. This is clear, still confusion.
Clear.
To me, it's clear.
Guys, if you do it again and again, then only you can do it. This is all about, you tell me when you drive the car, you think where is the gear, where is the, just later.
Yeah.
You never think about it, right?
Yeah, it happens automatically.
Automatically. So once you do the practice, automatically it will be able to write the right syntax, right? Without thinking here and there. Fine. So let me show you more program of if else, right? Ladder. Let me show you the another flavor of it, right?
Okay.
If, else, if. Clear? So guys, here we have two options. Either or. Am I right? What option you have? Integer, variable name could be anything, right? So in if and else condition, now how many option you have? Either or, right?
Uh-huh.
If you are saying ma equals to 100, right?
100.
Then you would say
System out print.
maha, you are 100. You know it, right?
Yes.
You want to give the option? Yes. Either or,
Yes.
right? But
Yes.
here you want to basically, okay, that's fine. Let me write another program. Okay, you can say, haha, you are not 100. So let me write another program using if else. So grade demo. People, if you want to write the main method, you can write a main control space bar if you forget it, right? For that purpose. Like here, Govinda, come with me. I'm just using grade, and this grade value will come at runtime. You don't know what there could be, right? Anything, Govinda. So basically, my requirement is if grade value is less than 30, Govinda. If this value is less than 30, you want to print your fell.
Your file, okay.
System
So
failure.
you are failed.
Uh-huh.
Clear?
Else.
Now, if you want to write multiple condition, if grade is
Uh-huh.
greater than less than 30, you can write another condition else if, right?
Else. Yeah.
First condition, if this condition is not true, then you can check the second condition. What?
Okay.
If grade is greater than, or you can say less than 60, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you would say you are average. Are you following me? Basically, this is multiple condition, right?
Yes.
Similarly, I can write again. You see the syntax? If parenthesis, curly bracket open and close. Now we have else if. Again, similar syntax, right? Else if. You would say if you are less than 80, right? So you are good. Got it? People. Now you can give the else condition in last. So if your grade is less than 30, it will come over here. If your grade is less than 30, it will come over here. If your grade is less than 80, it will come over here, right?
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, if it is greater than 80, it will come inside here. You are awesome. I don't know. So, but in this, only one if will be true, right? Not all. Either this or this or this. Only one if condition will become true, right? If
Yes.
none of them become true, it will go in the else condition. Let me give you the number. Suppose I am giving 90. So first of all, it will go and check over here. 90 is less than 30? No. This will not execute. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Govinda,
Yeah,
it
it's
is
true.
90. So this is false, right? 90 is not less than 30, right? False.
It will print you are awesome.
So now it will go to the second condition. Grade is okay. Grade is less than 60? No.
No,
Grade is less than 80? No.
no.
Right? So you don't have any option. It will go to the else condition. You are awesome, right?
Okay.
Suppose I am giving 25. Then it will go to the first condition. Grade, you are less than 25. 25 is less than 30. This condition becomes true. Then this will be printed and other thing will be not checked. No.
Okay. Yeah, that was my question.
And next I'm giving you like 35. Then this is less than 35. 30? No.
No.
But 35 is less
You're
than
average.
second condition. Less than 60.
Your
It will print your
average.
average, right? So only in if else, right? You have multiple if, but only one if will become true at a time, right? If this becomes true, other will be false. Other will not execute, right? If it becomes true, after it, whatever it comes later, it will not become true. If you run it, you will see it. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So people, you can go and do the practice of it. Last thing I'm going to teach you, that is, do you think it is enough for today, or should I teach you some other topic, smaller topic?
I think if
Good.
it's my option, if it will be enough.
Yeah, I
So
think
so
so too.
so I'm not in a hurry. Okay, I'm stopping my session for guys. If you really want to part of my session, right? I want go and do the practice of the same program. Type each program 5 times at least and come back to me. Okay, so I'm just stopping here. In next session, I will teach you loop, right? But I will tell you all the recordings are there. If you want of it, you can do it. Okay, so just stopping session here.